practice English speaking. Hello, welcome to Practice English Speaking. Today, we are going to talk simply, slowly, and confidently.
Hey everyone, I'm Jake. And don't worry, today's English is not scary, not fast, and definitely not boring.
Exactly. If you feel nervous speaking English, if your mind goes blank when someone says hello,
Or if you know English in your head, but your mouth says nope.
exactly, then this podcast is for you. Today's topic is English sentences for beginners speaking.
Real sentences, daily life sentences, the kind of English you actually need, not exam English.
So relax, sit back, maybe grab some tea.
Or coffee. Or just pretend you're drinking coffee. Let's practice together.
Jake, let's start easy. What do you say in the morning?
I say good morning, but honestly, sometimes I just say morning, sleepy.
That's real life English. So beginners, repeat after me. Good morning.
And in the afternoon, good afternoon.
Evening.
Good evening.
Simple. Clean. Easy. Jake, imagine you meet someone new.
Okay, I panic first. Then I say, "Hi, my name is Jake."
Perfect sentence. Beginners, remember. Hi, my name is...
You can also say, "Nice to meet you."
And please don't say nice meet you. It's nice to meet you.
Anna, what do you say when you are tired?
I say, I am tired.
When you are hungry?
I am hungry.
When you are happy?
I am happy.
Wow, English is easy when you don't overthink it.
Beginners often fear questions.
Yes, questions sound scary, but they're not.
Example, how are you?
And the answer, I am fine, or I'm good, or I'm okay.
No need for long stories. Ni for long stories.
Anna, imagine you're in a shop.
Okay,
What do you say?
how much is this?
Very useful sentence. Also, I want this.
Or polite version, I would like this.
One time I said I am boring.
Oh no, you wanted to say, I am bored.
Yes, so beginners remember, boring makes others sleepy. Bored, you feel sleepy.
Jake, what time is it?
I say, it is 5 o'clock.
Or it's late.
Or my favorite sentence, I am late.
What do you do in the morning?
I say, I wake up early. Okay, sometimes early.
I say, I brush my teeth. Very important sentence, Jake.
Hey, I brush eventually.
Beginners need feeling sentences.
Yes, like I feel good. I feel bad.
Or, I am nervous.
That's okay. Everyone feels nervous.
Jake, let's repeat naturally.
Sure.
I am learning English.
I am learning English too.
I want to speak English.
I want to speak English confidently.
See? Practice feels like talking with a friend.
Anna, my English improves when I eat snacks.
That's not English improvement, that's happiness improvement.
Beginners, eat snacks and practice English. 2 birds, 1 biscuit.
Exactly. Jake, let's talk about a real problem beginners have.
Oh yes, I know this one. They think too much before speaking.
Yes, they prepare a full paragraph in their head.
And in the end, they say nothing. Silence wins. English loses.
So today, let's practice short thinking and short sentences.
Like this very useful sentence, I don't know.
Beginners feel shy to say it, but it's a great sentence.
Say it clearly and confidently. I don't know.
Jake, can I say something honest?
Always.
I still make mistakes in English.
Same here. And we speak English every day.
Exactly. Mistakes mean you're trying.
Beginners, remember this sentence. It's okay to make mistakes.
Someone asks you, "Are you busy?"
You can say, "Yes, I am busy."
Or, "No, I am free."
No long stories needed.
Short answers are powerful.
Anna, what do you like?
I like music.
Good. Beginners can say, "I like tea." "I like movies." "I like English."
And if you don't like something,
Just say, "I don't like it."
one student told me, "I like English, but English doesn't like me."
English likes everyone.
You just need to talk to it more.
English is like a friend. Talk daily and it becomes friendly.
Jake, what do you say on the phone?
I say, "Hello, this is Jake."
And when you don't understand?
Very important sentence. Can you repeat, please?
Never say yes if you don't understand.
Yes can be dangerous.
Beginners always ask, "How can I think in English?"
Start small.
Look at a chair and say, "This is a chair."
Look at your phone. My phone is on the table.
Simple thoughts, no pressure.
Simple thoughts, no pressure.
Anna, how do you feel right now?
I feel relaxed.
Nice and easy sentence. And you?
I feel hungry.
Then say, "I want to eat."
English helps with food too. That's my favorite part.
Let's practice naturally.
Okay,
I am learning English.
I am learning English every day.
I speak a little English.
I speak a little English, but I am improving.
That's the correct mindset. One last message for beginners?
Don't wait for confidence.
Speak first.
Confidence comes later.
Broken English is better than no English.
Keep practicing with us,
Sentence by sentence.
day by day.
You are doing great.